Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix AMAZFIT Balance 3 Bluetooth calls not connecting. First, make sure that your watch is connected in the app. So if you go to the app and device, you should be able to see the battery percentage of your watch. If you don't, then it's not connecting, it's not working properly, and you should refer to a different video on how to fix pairing problems on this watch. It's recorded and uploaded to our channel. Now, if in case it is connected but you don't receive the calls, you can try to do two things. First one is going to be feature checklist and making sure that Bluetooth calls, when you click on Bluetooth calls, they are set to Bluetooth calls here, and that it's all basically enabled. And then also make sure that do not disturb mode isn't turned on. So when you slide down from the top of your screen down, you should see this moon icon, and if it's lit up like that, then do not disturb mode is on. But if it's not lit up, then it's off, and you should be receiving calls. If you are not receiving calls, you should be able to go to the settings of your phone and find the Bluetooth section. Then click on the watch on the list and make sure that phone calls and access to contacts and call history is allowed. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.